Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Hope you are having a great trading week and you guys are just overall being 1% better every single day. So it is a brand new day today. I'm bringing you guys kind of like a live trading video here. I just woke up and I got tagged into usdcad yesterday. If you remember, I took a loss on this pair last week. And I talked about it in my most recent video where I went wrong. So if you haven't seen that one, go check it out for sure. This is the office setup right now. I have a bunch of windows to my left, but I don't want to show outside just for security purposes, security reasons. I'm in a house now, so I don't want to just, show outside of my house. But it's a much bigger place and I'm just so friggin' pumped to be here. But as you can see here, I am in USD-CAD longs, and I will jump on the charts here in a second to kind of break this down for you. We have CAD CPI in about 15 minutes, so I'm hoping for a nice bullish push on USD-CAD here when CPI does come out because of the corrective nature, and I will show you guys that in a second here. But yeah, it's going to be a nice kind of chill video where I break down the trade that I'm looking at right now. I'll kind of manage it. Maybe the video will be out tomorrow, depends on when you're seeing this, depends on how long the trade takes. And I'm just going to this is going to be a very nice sit down, chill video where I can talk about things, talk about trading things, talk about psychology things while breaking down the charts. So I'm kind of helping you all out here, and I think it's going to provide a ton of value. So you're probably thinking, Mac, you're ranting. Jump on the charts and show this damn trade. So I will do that right now. The whole idea of this trade is we're bullish on the weekly time frame. I see some liquidity pools up here that I want to take out. On the daily time frame, we came into discount of this leg into this order block right here. And then on the 4-hour time frame, we've come down extremely corrective, and I mean extremely corrective, down into this region. We also swept this low, and we came into this demand zone that caused the push to the upside originally, right? And we never came down and mitigated this area. So this is a very key area. If USD-CAD is going to continue bullish, this is very important. If we break this, in my opinion, we are going to be going down into these levels here. So news is in 12 minutes. So I will update you when the news comes out, and we'll kind of go from there. Hopefully we can get a nice clean push, but time will tell. Let's see. CAD CPI came out with a Darth Maul type lightsaber, just absolutely zip down, clearing these lows. We'll see what happens. That's nothing. It is what it is. I mean, we just mitigated this area here, so I mean, it still could. We're still within this demand zone, and yeah, hopefully we can push to the upside. I'm not sure what the news numbers were. I'll have to check on that, but just gonna let this trade do its thing, and yeah, can't do anything about that. I hope I still am in focus here, and we'll see what happens. All right, beauties, it's a brand new day today, and I just woke up, just had my breakfast, just had some water, the classic Mac Gray morning routine, just walking around my crib right now and getting ready to jump onto the charts. I did look at my phone earlier and I saw that USD-CAD had a beautiful long reaction out, but before I go up there on the charts, I just wanted to quickly talk about something here that maybe could provide some value. So I get asked this question all the time, Mac, how do you stay disciplined during slow times? Or more importantly, how do you stay disciplined during times where maybe you're on a losing streak? And I am coming off about a one or two trade loss. One was a very small loss because I cut the risk, but I thought it would be a perfect time to answer that question because before, if I was on a losing streak, I would keep losing because I didn't have a plan that worked, right? I didn't have a consistent edge in the market. And now when I'm on a losing streak, I know that it's just random outcomes, right? At the end of the day, we have no control over what trade is going to win, what trade is going to lose. All we can do is take trades according to our plan. And from there, we're going to be successful traders because we don't have any control over each trade. So I'm not going into each trade like, oh, this trade's going to be a winner. This trade's going to be a winner. Honestly, when I'm on a winning streak, I start to think about, okay, most likely this next trade is going to be a loser. And if it continues to win, it is what it is. And the same thing goes for when I'm on a losing streak. Say I've lost a couple trades in a row. I know that each trade I take, according to my plan, is going to be one trade closer to that win. So it's just a nice mindset shift to have when thinking about losses or losing streaks. And how it ties into patience is you have to be patient because if you're on a losing streak, you can't like rush your way out of it and go take subpar trades, because then that losing streak is going to get even worse and worse and worse, right? So the main thing here is staying patient and waiting for your A+ setups to occur. That's major, because if you're taking pointless losses on the way to your win, then guess what? You're going to be taking extra losses, which isn't going to be fun at all, right? Whereas if you are just simply being patient, waiting for your A+ setups to occur, I'm just heading to my office now, waiting for your A+ setups to occur, you're giving yourself the highest probable trade, which allows you to, get through that losing streak a lot easier, because you have an edge, and maybe according to your data, you can lose, 1 or 2, 3 trades in a row, 4, and then the odds are going to switch in your favor, right? Whereas if you don't have a trading plan, you don't have an edge, you're just kind of out there trading away, that losing streak could last forever because you don't have an edge, right? So something to add. I'm going to jump on the charts here and show you USDCAD. All right, beauties, it's the next day here. We're just taking a look at USDCAD. We had a nice kind of accumulation here. CPI ripped down, as you guys saw, then we pushed up. And I'm looking to hopefully ride this momentum to the upside. We have so many daily highs here, right? After clearing this internal low, I'm hoping that we can get that rejection. And this is like a swing low pattern right here. And then the daily will continue up. Hopefully that happens. I'll keep you guys posted on this trade. And let's get into the rest of the video. All right, beauty. So I have gone risk-free on this trade. Now, I don't normally like to go break even on trades, but the reason behind it with this one is as follows, okay? So we have swept all this liquidity. We mitigated literally the extreme of the demand. We had a push to the upside. We created this nice imbalance right here above our entry. And if I break it down even lower, this is all liquidity to me. So say we do come down into this region, I see us running this low and running this low. So for me, with it coming into Friday, it's Thursday right now, I want to see us up here. I do not want to be going into the weekend with the market, messing around down here in my entry. That's not what I want to do, especially going into the weekend. So yeah, I just decided to do that and remove risk, because at the same time, these other majors had a big bullish move to the upside. And yeah, I just want to manage risk this way. I think it's proper. And a couple other members in the community have done it as well, so that's great to see. Nice rejection wick here out of this imbalance here, and I'm hoping that we can continue to the upside. The only other management that I may do is move my stop loss to below this order block right here, as we could potentially come down into this demand zone before pushing up. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. I'll keep you posted if I do. And yeah, let's just let this trade do its thing. If I do get taken out at break even here and we do get a shift to the upside, then I'll gladly look to re-enter. That's kind of my mindset with this, but I do not want to go into the weekend holding this trade with open risk, just because I have been in it already since Monday. So not doing the multiple week holds anymore with open risk. I'm not doing that. I learned my lesson. So we'll see if we can finally get this UCAD long, and I'll keep you guys posted. Morning, everyone. Just waking up here. It's Friday morning now. And when I went to bed last night, USDCAD was launching. It was moonbound, literally. It was passing Elon Musk on the way to Mars. During the presidential election, I guess, it was just absolutely ripping. In Asia, which I did think was very, very rare. Sorry, guys, I'm just typing my password in with one other hand. But yeah, fresh cut. Let me know what you guys think. This is after sleeping on it. So, I mean, my barber did a pretty good job. Not going to complain. Just opening the charts here, and we will see what we're doing. So, USDCAD retracing heavily. USDCAD is retracing heavily after that friggin' bullish move, man. Literally, again, I was calling the Lambo dealership up there, guys. Literally on the phone with them during the debate, saying, all right, guys, after this debate here, I'm going to go with the Urus. By the time I picked what color I wanted, they're like, whoa, sir, your trade's retracing. So, yeah, we'll see what happens here. What I'm hoping for, here, I'll just jump on the charts and show you. All right, so this is what I was talking about on USDCAD. We rallied so hard up yesterday in Asia, and I was like, oh, baby, here we go. And then we left equal highs up here. And then we've sold off. So what I'm hoping for is we run either this low or we run this low, and then we rip up again. Or this area of demand can hold. I don't think it will, but it easily can. And then we will rip to the upside. Or news is going to come out at 8:30 and just spank your boy at break even. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with heading into the next week risk-free in a position. It gives me, mental real estate to go, look for other trades next week. Beautiful stuff. DXY left perfect equal highs today, heading into news, which in my opinion, we're going to spank. USDCAD did react from this kind of order block up here that had all these highs under it. So, it's all good. If we're wrong on this thing, we're wrong. But other CAD pairs aren't even strong right now. So, this is just pure USD. Like you can see all pairs against CAD right now are doing pretty good, except maybe the euro. But I'll keep you guys posted on this trade, and we will see what happens from now. I hope I survive until news, because I just have a good feeling news will launch us, or I'm going to be wrong here and news is just going to smash us. So let's wait and see. I just woke up, haven't even had water yet. My mouth is parched, and I'll see you guys in a couple hours. All right, guys, so you can see we are having a nice rejection out of this low here. Now, we have news in 1 minute. My thoughts are this is either a trap to dive down into this region, or this is a valid rejection and we're going to crush it to the upside. So let's see what we can do in the next 30 seconds here. Regardless, I'm risk-free on this position, and we'll call it a week, and I'll be ready to go for beautiful next week. So let's take a look. GDP for CAD stayed the same, or what they're forecasting, sorry. And we're just waiting for CPI, core price index. Stayed the same as well. Well, what they forecasted. So not sure how that's going to affect the markets right here, but either way, we'll just kind of watch and see, and I will keep you guys posted whether we get taken out at break even or if we start to push to the upside. Either way, I'll let you guys know, and patience pays. Let's see what we can do here. All right, beauties. So as you can see here, USDCAD came back and unfortunately took me out for break even on this trade. I thought for sure we were going to be okay when we did create this new price leg, but we ended up clearing this liquidity and coming down and taking me out at break even. Now, I don't usually go break even on trades, but I didn't want to be in this thing for another week, especially going into NFP week with open risk. In my head, I thought, okay, if we get another breakage structure to the upside, I'll just look to get in off the hourly or something like that. But all in all, I'm totally okay with this trade. It sucks, we were up a good amount there. It was running very nicely, and then it is what it is. It was the last day of the quarter, last day of the month, last day of the week, and a lot can happen. So I think things are shaping up nice for next week. And I'm super excited for what next week has to come. New quarter, new month, new week. We're ready for whatever comes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Hope you guys enjoyed the live trading video. If you did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. It means the world. We're on our way to 60,000 subscribers. If you are interested in how I trade, make sure to check out the link in the description. Check out the ARM Trading Mentorship and see if we are the right fit for you. But anyway, what do I say at the end of every single video? Let's be 1% better every single day. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.